Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So we're going to explore AI in video. Finally, you can do it because I got the awesome CapCut. So now I'm doing cool stuff with CapCut, and but let's get into AI in video.
Core praxis.
All right, so here you have it, folks. We got invideo.io. That's where you got to go. Invideo.io. First thing, obviously, we got to hit you with the money, right? So the main thing we got here is you have the yearly plan, and also there's a link in the description. Make sure you check the link in the description, get you there. But the yearly plan comes around to the good stuff. It's about $20 a month. I'm doing the 25 a month because I'm going month to month and kind of checking it out. But right now, so far, and as you will see in this demo, it is pretty amazing. It is an incredible thing, and I'm about to show you what that means. So let's go. Let's not even play, man. Let's get into it. So, looking at this is how this works. Pretty easy stuff. Yeah, it's just as simple. It's crazy. But again, so you give it a topic. You can see that this is an interface like ChatGPT, and I'm pretty sure that that's what they're doing or what they're using. You can also clone your voice, right? So if you have your voice in here, you can clone it and then apply it to different videos that you create. And you can create the different formats and in different workflows. So for example, there's script video. So if you have like a cool script, boom, it will create that video. And if you have an explainer, you select the explainer format, then it gives you this template in which we're going, and this is what I'm going to use. So you're going to go here and say, okay, give me this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it simple. Let's do a 1 minute, right? Micro learning, right? So a 1 minute video. This is we're introducing micro learning. So we're going to say most important benefits of micro learning, right? And then here, this second tab, this field is the most important piece, which is the creative directions. So here you get to play director, right? And that's the cool part about it. I love it because, you know, I always wanted to be a film director. So here we go. Make this video your own, right? So creative details and thoughts. Explain micro learning and its and 1 hour webinars nobody wants to watch. Okay, cool. So we did that, and then you get to add the music. So let's assume here we're gonna go with a upbeat cinema or upbeat epic cinema. It gives you this nice inspirational type of tunes. And then the settings. So what kind of voice you want to use? Female, male. I noticed that the male voices tend to be quite better. They're newer voices, but I'm gonna go with a female voice here, and we're gonna pick a New York accent. Hopefully, we get some Brooklyn in there. Hey, what's going on over here? Something like that. I don't know. And then the subtitles. So add words by subtitles, current spoken yellow. This is the best because this is actually kind of like the same as the thing that I do with Opus Clips. So, and if you haven't seen that, go ahead and watch that video. Card on the top. Look at your top right of the screen. All right, and then the last part is this piece, and this is the best part. So when you have this plan from plus up, then you can actually have it use iStock stuff. And this is great because it's like story blocks. It's high quality, high definition videos. So once you fill all this out, it basically pops it up here and you're ready to go. All you have to do is click generate. And if this was playing, you were wondering, well, why can I use highlighter when I use CapCut? Of course, look at this highlighter. Isn't that awesome? Spotlights. Oh, look at that. Look at the spotlights. Zoom in right there. Cool. So as you notice, I was playing with my CapCut screen recording functions, which is kind of cool. So we have the micro learning, the antidote to boring webinars. You see that? It already picked up the stuff. Of course, ChatGPT is kind of crazy that way. It does that. So we have the audience. This is going to be awesome because it gives you the specific thing. So obviously we're going to go for corporate trainers, the look and feel. Is it going to be minimalistically modern, epic, or professional? I'm going to go with epic. Let's see what we get out of that. And then platform, YouTube, LinkedIn, whatnot. So obviously YouTube, and click continue. So in this portion right here, what it does is actually going through this process, and it's telling you what's up, like what is actually creating. So each of the sections that it's creating, the analysis of the videos and putting it together. And then it will start giving you like titles of the scenes, right? So like playing the script, it's kind of telling you the stuff. It takes a minute or so. So here we go.
Dramatic music. We're diving into the world of microlearning. Picture this. You mastering a new skill in just 5 minutes. No, this isn't a fantasy. It's the magic of microlearning. Microlearning is the espresso shot of education. It's quick, it's potent, and boy does it pack a punch.
All right, so you heard that there is the voice, pretty awesome voice. Now when you are watching, what I want to make clear here, you understand, when you're watching this is actually like the prototype the app is giving you. So it's not the full thing. It's just kind of telling you, all right, well, this is what I got. You asked me to do this is what I got. It's showing you pretty much everything you asked for. It still has the watermark for the videos, and you're going to hit this click on the audio. And obviously they're doing all of that, so you're not ripping them off and taking the video by yourself or screen recording the video and stealing it. That can happen. So that's what's happening there. Then you have the feedback that you can give the app, right, as to, okay, that was great, that was amazing, that was good, or no, that wasn't that good. And you can also edit this from here, right? So the cool thing, you click edit and then you get into this. This is amazing because you can actually insert your own videos in here and make them happen, or you can add whatever you want in here, or you can actually even edit the script for that and add the captions to it if you wanted to. So a lot of choices here. You look at what is written, and then from there you can actually choose to add the captions to that. But this is already captioned because I did it from the beginning. From the beginning I did add that it put this burn this captions here with color and everything. So you can edit also the shots, by the way. That's the only thing I forgot to tell you. So the media itself can be changed. So let's assume it's here, it's quick, it's potent, and boy does it pack a punch. So right here, if we have this espresso thing going, maybe this is not exactly what I want to see. So I'm going to change it up and just put here quick punch, right? And see what else comes up. So now when you're seeing that, it's okay, some interesting videos that come around, and then you can kind of check this video out and see what's up. See what's up with that. So it added that video and do that. So you can click on that, it will replace it. And obviously what you see here is the video itself, and you can check it out. So this is basically a cat slapping another cat. So you can see the quick punch thing. I think that may play out a little better for it, and it will do that. So in this case, you're replacing this video with the cat punch stuff, and then you apply the changes. So once you apply the changes, it goes through a little bit of thing, and I mean, it doesn't take that much. It's that quick. So once you're ready, all you have to do is export. When you export, you have the options to have no watermarks, to take the Ai Invideo rendering and publish to 1080p on the plan that I have. If you go with the heavier plan, obviously you can go to 4K. And if you don't have any plan, even if it's free, you can actually produce something, but it will have the watermark and stuff like that. So that's it. It's that simple. You go ahead and click here, boom, and you can do that. You get on the plan 80 licenses of the iStock videos, and this is saying that it will use 7 out of the quota, and it resets every month. So what do you think? Is that cool stuff? I think it's awesome. I think it's amazing. Links in the description. You can go check it out. get a free account, play with it, because this stuff, if you're doing video, is going to be super useful in the future. I mean, right now I'm using it right now for projects that I do. So that's all I got to tell you. So peace out, stick tuned, make sure you subscribe if you like, but definitely like this video so you can help other people out. Thank you.